Well, we're going to breakfast. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, and as you can see, it's quite dusky out here, but it's super pretty. Oh, we got Christmas lights still in the car, even though we're heading to New Year. Off we go. This is our road. It's like a winter wonderland.
Salties on second, and Dawn is wearing her new boots. They're Manitoba Mucklucks from Canada.
Here we go. Chuck's wearing his new scarf that he got for Christmas.
New warm gloves, and we're going in.
And a little Christmassy in here, but we're gonna say Happy New Year.
We're at Salty's on second, a new restaurant in Fairbanks. It used to be Gambardella's, and we're very excited. We met the owner, and she's very nice. And the food is going to be amazing. It's a breakfast place with really nice breakfast, and there are going to be dinners too.
So you just took her like an hour to settle down.
So we just went to the new Salties downtown, and I give it a total thumbs up.
Total thumbs up, and it's snowing.
Yeah, we had a great breakfast, and if you guys are downtown Fairbanks, I would definitely recommend coming. Heading over to Jacob and Karis's. Jacob's gonna clean out the coffee machine for me. So we're heading over there, got everything all packed up.
Good working order.
Don't do this and you'll significantly shorten the lifespan of your machine.
Hi, Mark and Morgan from WholeLatteLove.com. Today we'll show you how to descale a single boiler.
Yeah, no, it's good. I'm going to pour this in first, and then I'm going to add water. So that's in there. So take the whole one? Yep.
This is very scientific, folks. You use your dishwashing brush. It's got some good crema on there now. Baby Lyric's first time ever in the swing. Aww. Look at this.
I didn't really think of it, Josh.
He looks very happy.
This guy's a little tux on for New Year's.
Aww. He's got his tuxedo on. Well, it's New Year's Eve, and we are stopping at Firewalk on our way to Jacob and Karis's to get some Chinese food. Happy New Year's Eve via Firewalk North Pole. Dawn of Cooking's broccoli salad, Costco pizza, and Safeway breadsticks. For the fam. Bam. Are you ready?
Happy New Year!
Oh yeah, so from Jacob, Karis, and Baby Lyric, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Go 2019!
That's right.